Cases of chain snatching have been reported in Haveri and Akki Alur, where thieves targeted women and fled with their gold mangalsutras. In the first incident on February 8 at 6:50 p.m., Harinakshi Koraduru was returning home after attending an event in Manjunath Nagar, Haveri, when two bike-borne miscreants approached her, snatched her mangalsutra, and fled the scene. A similar case was reported in Akki Alur, where a thief targeted Nirmala, who was returning home after visiting a temple. The snatcher grabbed her mangalsutra in broad daylight and escaped. CCTV footage has captured the incidents, and the police have registered cases in both locations. A search operation has been launched to identify and apprehend the culprits.